Okay, real talk. Everyone's been going wild over the Galaxy Z Fold 7 lately, and yeah, that redesign is a big deal. But can we talk about the Z Flip 7 for a second? Because this little clamshell is finally stepping into the spotlight, and honestly, it's about time. If you've been waiting for Samsung to go all in on the Flip lineup, this is the moment. The headline feature, that glorious full-cover display. Yep, it's real, confirmed in a hands-on video that popped up online, and then vanished just as quickly. Classic leak drama. But don't worry, we've got the receipts, screenshots, video grabs, the whole deal. And let me tell you, the Flip 7 is looking sleek. We're talking thinner bezels, a slimmer profile, and just an overall cleaner vibe. The outer display is now a 4-inch panel that looks super polished, supports 4 widgets at once, and might even run full apps. Might. Samsung hasn't officially said yes to that yet, but fingers crossed they take a page from Motorola's playbook. The Razr 60 Ultra nailed that part. Inside, the main screen gets a size bump too, now 6.9 inches, up from 6.7. Not massive, but enough to notice. Even better, the phone has actually gotten slimmer. It's shaved off nearly a millimeter when folded and just under half a millimeter when open. Doesn't sound like much, but in hand, it's definitely going to feel snappier and less bulky. Now about that crease or lack of one. In the leaked clip, it's basically invisible. That said, most foldables look perfect out of the box, so we'll see what it's like after a few months of flipping open and shut. Honestly, the Flip 7 feels like Samsung finally taking this design seriously. It's refined, it's modern, and it looks like it's ready to compete head-on with the best clamshells out there. So what's the verdict? Are you into it, or still holding out for more? Let me know what you think. Always down to hear your take. Catch you in the next one, and stay nerdy out there.